picture this for over a decade. A creature completely unknown to science was hiding in plain sight, right inside a biologist's lab. This isn't the start of a sci-fi movie. It's a real discovery that's shaking up our understanding of the tree of life. In 2011, scientists collected some marine ciliates from the waters of Croatia. They kept this sample in their lab, tending to it for years. But then, something strange happened. The ciliates suddenly died off, and as the original inhabitants vanished, a new, mysterious organism came into view. This tiny creature, which they've now named Solarion arienae looked like a tiny, microscopic sun. Its name, Solarion, even reflects its sun-like shape. Protostologists Ivan Kapika and Marek Walt from Charles University were stunned. They realized they had stumbled upon something extraordinary. For years, this tiny, slow-moving organism had been living in their culture, completely overlooked. If they missed it in a controlled lab environment. Imagine how many other undiscovered life forms are out there in the wild, just waiting to be found. This discovery highlights just how little we truly know about the vast world of microbial life. So, what makes Solarion so special? Well, it's a eukaryote, which means its cell has a nucleus containing its DNA, just like the cells in our own bodies. And like our cells, it has mitochondria, the famous powerhouses of the cell, but that's where the similarities start to get really interesting. When the research team tried to classify Solarion they found it didn't fit into any existing category. It was so unique that they had to create an entirely new branch on the tree of life for it. This new branch, a phylum, now includes Solarion arienae called Meteorosporadique. It sits within a newly established kingdom, a major classification of life, shared only with a couple of other distantly related protists. To put that in perspective, creating a new kingdom is a massive deal in biology. It's like finding out there's a whole new category of life you never knew existed, on par with animals, plants, and fungi. But the most mind-blowing part of this discovery lies deep inside Solarion tiny body, within its mitochondria. To understand why, we need a quick trip back in time way back. The prevailing scientific theory, called the endosymbiont theory, suggests that mitochondria weren't always part of our cells. Billions of years ago, they were independent, free-living bacteria. At some point in ancient history, one of these bacteria was engulfed by another, single-celled organism. Instead of being digested, it survived and formed a symbiotic relationship. The bacterium provided energy, and the host cell provided protection and nutrients. Over millions of years, this partnership became permanent. The two organisms merged into one, becoming so intertwined that they could no longer live without each other. This event was a pivotal moment in the history of life, leading to the evolution of all complex life on Earth, including us. We know this because mitochondria still carry their own separate DNA, a tiny remnant of their independent past. In most eukaryotes today, this mitochondrial DNA is highly simplified. Most of the original bacterial genes have been lost or transferred to the host cell's main nucleus, but Solarion is different. It's like a living time capsule. Inside Solarion mitochondria, scientists found a gene called SICA. This gene was part of the original toolkit of the free-living bacteria used for moving proteins across its membrane. Finding this gene still active inside the mitochondria of a modern organism is an incredible breakthrough. It's direct, living evidence of the life that mitochondria led before they were fully integrated into the eukaryotic cell. It's like finding an ancient artifact perfectly preserved. It gives us an unprecedented glimpse into that ancient chapter of evolution when our distant ancestors were just starting to form these crucial partnerships. Solarion is essentially a living fossil, showing us a snapshot of what life was like at the dawn of complexity. This Solarion arienae book. It opens up a whole new window into the past, allowing us to reconstruct ancient, evolutionary events that we could previously only guess at. It shows us that the story of life on Earth is far from complete, and that some of its most important chapters might still be hidden in the most unexpected places, even in a forgotten corner of a laboratory sample. The researchers themselves describe it perfectly. Solarion is a remarkable reminder of how little we still know. It proves that there are entire lineages of life, living fossils, that can help us piece together the puzzle of our own origins. Who knows what other secrets are waiting to be uncovered, floating in a drop of water or hiding in a pinch of soil. The search for life, in all its weird and wonderful forms, continues. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into the Tree of Life. If you found this as fascinating as we did, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more incredible stories from the world of science. We'll see you in the next one.